Hi guys, welcome back to the Spicy Kitchen. I am Jose Arato and today I am with Kimberly Persona, also known as Miss Persona.
Oh yeah.
And she knows a lot of kids that they don't want to eat their vegetables. So what I'm tricking them, or better say, I'm showing you how to trick them and let them eat beets through a brownie. Let's go.
Feel more fun than like the rubber gloves, you know, the big yellow ones. This feels like you're in CSI.
We are going to make an incision here gently.
Oh my
so
gosh, this is a real thing.
look.
Yeah.
Wow. And the beets.
Did you cook this? Is this a cooked
Yeah.
beet? Oh, okay. All right. I thought this was not a cooked beet.
Now
I was like, how are you having magic powers?
joking. I do have a magic powder. I'm using absolutely everything from the beets. Actually, I'm using even the stems for some pesto that I'm making in another episode. So, you know,
Stay tuned.
please stay tuned.
Yeah.
So I put them on pressure cooker.
Okay.
But I do understand not everybody has a pressure cooker.
Yeah.
So you have a few options. You can put them and boil them for quite a while. It will take about an hour and a half.
Okay.
I don't recommend it that much, but I do recommend it. Put it in the oven.
Okay.
And you put the whole beet as is.
Okay, talk to me though. Can you still do that fun like peely thing?
Yeah. So what
Can we
you
do
do?
this again?
Look.
Can you slow-mo this?
Tin, 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 tin.
It's like a little alien!
I'm breaking it so you can see how soft it is.
Oh my, it's like a little
Okay.
brain. Oh my, oh,
You
it's
see?
so satisfying.
Well, you can actually involve kids.
It's kind of hot though. It's hot. It's really hot.
It's very hot.
It's hot in the middle. Just be careful.
Okay.
It's hot in the middle.
So you can involve your kids doing this.
yeah, just warn them it's hot.
Well, you can cool. Well, yeah, I agree. But you can cool them down a little bit. Now, ideally, is you don't want them very cold because it's difficult to peel them when they are cold.
Right. Okay. fair
So,
enough.
you know, you
So
wait.
need them a little toasty.
Yeah,
A little
exactly.
toasty. I'm gonna need some. I did this and I failed miserably at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I broke mine within like 30 seconds. It was horrible. So anyways, I'm gonna need a lesson on this.
Okay, I'll teach you.
Okay.
So this is a food processor.
I feel like you're selling me on it now. You're like the feature.
And then has a blade.
Okay, what is this? Sorry.
Please.
Can we just talk about what
Yeah,
this
put it
machine
back.
is?
That's it. I'll show you. Don't break it. I'm gonna add the actual beets that I cut it already. We can add a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
And the sugar is gonna help us to actually break the beet.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then here, very
This
simple.
is the part that's threw me off.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you put this here. Everything has to
Line up.
beautifully
Click.
click.
Yeah.
And then we put this here.
Yeah. Got it.
So now those are all this is okay. You
See? Do you see how this is already feels confusing? Right? Like this isn't smooth. This is not a smoothing click experience.
You are confusing me.
Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Okay?
Sorry.
You are confusing me.
Okay.
So this is locked here.
Okay. Oh my
And
gosh.
I'm gonna add the rest of the sugar,
Okay. Sugar.
the oil.
Oh, what kind of oil is that?
This you can use any oil. This is vegetable oil, but you can use olive oil
Okay.
if you want to.
It smells really good.
Then the cocoa powder, or actually the cocoa powder, I put it here with the flour,
Okay.
and then we put the whole thing here.
It's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Just all goes in there and does it all kind
And
of.
then the egg.
Yeah. Do you use like, is that like the Audrey Hepburn?
What is the Audrey Hepburn? I don't know.
Isn't this like, it's from a very famous movie. What movie is that?
Oh, Breakfast with Tiffany?
I think so. And
I
she
have
like,
never
she's
seen
like,
it.
it's all in the wrist. And she does like a wrist. It's all in the wrist.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know why she doesn't talk like that in the movie. I'm not
For
sure.
me, it's more about the actual fingers, how you open it.
Oh,
There you go.
case cracked.
This recipe is super simple for the kids.
Okay.
Um,
'cause you just get to pour it in.
and you can actually involve them in the cooking process.
Yeah.
So you definitely, what you want is to put everything here.
Okay.
And that's it. You can also use just chocolate instead of cocoa powder.
Okay.
And the heat of the actual beets would melt the chocolate as well.
Oh.
So yeah,
Okay.
that's a trick.
Another reason why they can't be cold.
Yep.
It's all coming together.
There you go. And then here we are.
thing about this versus cookies, you don't have to get all schmucky, right? You just pour.
Very simple.
It's so red.
Yeah,
Is
those
it gonna,
are the beets.
It's gonna look like that?
Oh yeah.
Wow. It's kind of like a red velvet thing.
It's pretty straightforward. You bake it at 350
Okay.
for about 30 minutes and or until bounce back. So
Okay.
you just kind of touch it and you feel that it's
It
bouncing
pops
back.
up. All right.
Very simple, that's it. Thank you very much for joining us at the Spicy Kitchen. Today we made beetroot brownies with local beets. Remember, it's all year round vegetable. It's fantastic. Local. And thank you, Kim, for being with us. Like, definitely was super fun. I really haven't had so much fun in quite a while. And I laughed. So please let us know where we can find you, what exactly you do again, so
Yeah.
people can follow you.
So I have a preschool show that's going to be launching on the Treehouse Direct YouTube channel in September 2018. So check it out, yo!
Comment, subscribe, share, enjoy the brownies, and until next time.